Welcome to the BEEVisio training. To prepare for an exam, I'm going to go through everything again. Everything's correct. Now, as the next step, I can also do the following. I'll add the boom article. Drag that onto the scene. I might check, when creating a new station, whether I have an entry here. Namely, for the component, there's a small arrow. If I click on it with the left mouse button, there should definitely be an entry here. Namely, the Buy Bill of Materials ERP. It's also possible that sometimes it's completely empty. In that case, please just click on the arrow until Buy BOM ERP appears in the drop-down menu. Then click on that. And then it's important that I always select the top one, that is, my master, named just as the item is named. That's my scene file name. Select that one, then create the bill of materials here. That's the keyboard shortcut. Click on it, then it already shows me a table at the bottom. I can then adjust the width of that neatly, and then I sort them by part number. And now I have all the items are listed one below the other, and they also fit together. Usually the roller rails go together, the joints. Here I've got a 12 by 64 roller rail and an 11 by 64 side guide. I've got a few pipes up there with precise dimensions. I usually have an even number of them as well. Depending on the build, that's also a bit of an indicator you can check. Yeah, so this is a bit of a test that I like to do at the end of the build. There are 4 wheels in there. These are the correct drive sleeves. There are 4 of them inside. There are 4 gaps inside. There are 4 joints inside. Yes, it looks very good. And finally, I can say that I can export the design to Excel. I've got a sample shelf in here. I'll put it on top. Normally, if Office is installed, it automatically opens a bill of materials straight away. Depending on the settings, it can look quite bare. Just this Excel file here, with no other content. But I'll show you once more that there's another solution. I have a setting here where I can say, I'll allow more. Here there are MS Excel options. That is, export options. I can export thumbnails, I can export properties, and I can also export the thumbnails for each individual object. And if I then basically say OK, and try exporting it again, then the bill of materials will look much more comprehensive. Yes. Then he exports the overall assembly view. He's also exporting the individual views for me, so I can organize them a bit better. Exactly. That's basically what the slightly expanded bill of materials looks like. Then I've got another header that tells me the name of the project, who saved it, and when it was saved. We've got an image up there. We've also only included the individual items, especially in case someone doesn't know the names yet, but can identify them relatively easily from the components in the image. So that's that component, right? I've got it. Good. So it's up to each person how they want to do it. We tend to go for the streamlined approach now, but everyone can do it however they like. Right, those are the options for the bill of materials for displaying it. Good, thank you for watching, and see you in the next BEEVisio training session.